Hari Prasad is back with another lecture on soft skills. The topic for today's discussion is soft skills at campus placements. Message: teamwork. Coming together is a beginning. Staying together is a progress. Working together is a success. That is teamwork. Soft skills value to students hard skills. Soft skills add value to students hard skills. Students will have edge over other competitors with their soft skills. If you have more soft skills than your friend, than other candidate, you will get the job. Job acquisition and job sustainability is possible only with soft skills. For getting a job and keeping the job, retaining the job. So job acquisition, getting the job and sustaining the job. Job sustainability completely depends on soft skills only. Potentiality of the candidates can be exhibited through soft skills. Hard skills are academic skills. We know that our subject knowledge, technical knowledge is known as hard skills. Academic knowledge, we know that academic skills. Soft skills are self-developed, interactive, communication skills. Hard skills contribute 20% of your success. Remaining 80% is made of soft skills. Employers want to hire, retain human resources having positive attitude. Economic globalization. Indian market is becoming global. I think already became global. Youth to imbibe soft skills to show their real potential. Youth can show their real potential if they know soft skills. Students are to be fully equipped with soft skills. In knowledge economy, soft skills differentiate raw talent from skilled talent. Raw talent with the traditional degrees. Skilled talent with the soft skills. Raw talent you can have from traditional degrees, from hard skills. Skilled talent you can have with soft skills. Gold medalist or average performer. Only soft skills will play the pivotal role in real life. For example, take my example. I was an average performer in my school days, college days. There are gold medalists, top rating performers getting 80%, 90% academic marks. I was getting only 40, 45, 50% academic marks. I was an average performer. The gold medalists like Patabi Ramareddy, my classmate, like Ramalingaya, my classmate, Shivaji, my classmate, Prasad, Potkuchi, and many others. What they are? They are all school teachers, constables, working in different departments like that. But I am an IAS officer. I am only average performer, not gold medalist. Gold medalist or average performer. Only soft skills will play a pivotal role in real life. In real life, I am successful. Why? Because I found the value of soft skills when I was in class 10. They said, no, soft skills, what soft skills? Hard skills, marks required, certificates required, they failed. So gold medalists are constables, my classmates, school teachers, my classmates. I am an IAS officer. Average performer. I am an average performer. I am an IAS officer today. What about the gold medalists, my classmates? What about their certificates? Certificates with 80%, 90% marks. That is why gold medalists are average performer. Soft skills that take you to heights. Because of soft skills took me to this height. Soft skills. Let us see some soft skills now. Leadership skills, time management skills, discipline, presentation skills, communication skills, etiquette, telephone speaking skills, business writing skills, creativity, analytical thinking skills, diplomacy, problem solving, team building. These are some of the soft skills. I recognized their value when I was 15-year-old. Today I am 58-year-old. Soft skills create opportunity for the personal in the advancement of career. So, for the personal mean staff. For the staff, soft skills create opportunity in advancement of their career. Candidate with the soft skills shows better performance. Presence of soft skills will have direct impact on organizational total quality management, institutional effectiveness, and innovation synergies. Reasons for essentiality of soft skills in students. Why students should have soft skills? What are the reasons? Reason 1, certification is not an end itself. Already told you. You need to soft skills to create opportunity for yourself. 2, soft skills offer career growth. 3, soft skills develop professional ethics. So, improve soft skills. For improving soft skills, what you have to do? Soft skills are acquired and experienced on the spot and can't be developed by merely reading textbooks. Personality development through skill sets. Skill set 1, business communication skill. Learning nuances of English for business purpose like letter writing, memos, reports, emails, presentation skills, dialogues, telephone etiquette, business and social etiquette, conversation skills, etc. So nuances mean subtle differences. Emotional intelligence, EI, to build and sustain effective relationships that will result in mutual gain. That is why today emotional intelligence is required, EI. Skill set 2, behavioral skills. They are role plays, puzzles, personality assessment tests, team building, group dynamics, time management, social skills, assertive skills, cross-cultural communication skills, leadership skills, etc. These soft skills are enormously valued in business organizations. Personal attributes like attitude and skills are considered by the recruiters. Skill set 3, training in GD and PI, training in group discussion and personal interview. Practice sessions on group discussion and personal interview. Shoot them and play back to students later. The faculty members in the colleges, shoot them and play them later to them. They can see whether their verbal and non-verbal skills are in synchrony or not. Synchrony means simultaneous occurrence. Industry experts in interview panels for practice sessions in personal interview. Feedback is given to students later for a realistic understanding of industry expectations. Effective resume writing, references from past employers, practice of psychological tests, interview techniques, etc. One recent survey revealed that soft skills are often valued by employers than technical skills, mean hard skills. The survey involved 300 administrative professionals and 400 human resource managers. Soft skills encompass a number of attributes. Encompass means surround. I am giving now the percentage of skills. Organizational skills 87%. Teamwork and collaboration 78%. Problem solving 60%. Tact and diplomacy 59%. Business writing 48%. Analytical skills 45%. Verbal communication 81%. Technical skills through teaching. Soft skills through intuition, experience and practice. Technical skills are hard skills. Hard skills are through teaching. Soft skills are through intuition, experience and practice. Tips to improve soft skills. 1. Listen actively. Give impression that you are actively listening to customers' problems. 2. Communicate with illustrations. Choose common illustrations to demonstrate your point to customers. 3. Take the lead. Observe the successful leaders and note their actions and management style. Take leadership roles. 4. Nurture your inner writer. Write solution to a problem. 5. Step out of box physically and mentally. Move out of the cubicle and sign up for office committees. Best career move. Soft skills. Move out of the cubicle and sign up for office committees. Best career move. Soft skills professionals fulfill organizational goals in proper and most acceptable manner. Before closing this lecture, I will give you 3 rules for success. 1. Trust your brain. 2. Trust yourself. 3. Trust Hari Prasad. You can become winner in life. Thank you. Carpe diem.
Thank you.